Alright, good evening. Vice Forecaster Diddy Rapp with you. Back with you in this USA Severe Weather Network today. We have a tornado warning down here in parts of Alabama today. We're just going to give you a quick update. We're not talking about any long track to violent tornadoes or anything like that. These could just be quick spin ups or brief tornadoes that do the form. So we were just going to break in just for a little bit to keep you updated on these two warnings. Tornado warning effect for north central Greene County and central west and south and western Alabama to 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 4:22. Just a second here. 4:22. Severe thunderstorm is located near a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Greenville, or 2 miles west of altitude reached around 35 miles an hour. It's a hazard tornado radar indicated. So this is not going to be your long track tornado. If you live in Clinton or Union, you definitely need to be taking cover. This is a storm that could produce a small, brief tornado. And just looking at radar, I don't normally see anything. We'll check the tool we use for debris. And let's see what we got here. We could get a little bit of debris right over here. There could be a little something. So if anybody in parts of the area need to be shaking shelter. If you're in this area, you could be under this brief tornado. It's not a long track one. It's and like I said, you won't have to take cover. This runs in effect around about 5 p.m. And we'll zoom in to the Mobile site. And we do have a tornado warning down here that goes in effect for 5 p.m. This includes parts of western Wheat County at 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado is located near Waverly or 6 miles north of 6 miles of Green Hill, moving at 35. So what to expect? Tornado. So this is only a radar indicated tornado, everybody. It doesn't mean we have a tornado on the ground right now, but I pull up velocity. I'm trying to switch different sites here so we could actually see what we got going. And let's see. If you live in any of these communities, I apologize that phone ringing again. I need to. So this is only a quick spin up. So hold on just a second. All right, sorry about that, folks. We still have a tornado warning for Alabama down here. It runs through 5 p.m. Sorry about that. Trying to zoom in here, take the latest look at what we have. We'll animate this. I don't see a confirmed report of a tornado on the ground right now, so that's some good news. But we don't. If you live in Pine Hill, that's just the area where we could see a brief spin up tornado. You live in Pine Hill area. Let's see what the velocities look like. Um, 40 to 50 to 60. Just checking. There could be a tornado right over here. Some wind shear, but I just don't see all the red next to green. So this is just a regular rain shower. So this is not a big problem. But you know how tornadoes do. They get the rain. There's enough energy. I'll take a look here what's going on in Mississippi area and see. There's a couple couplets there. We'll have to watch, but that doesn't mean we do have the potentially of strong storms out here. Checking our So definitely we need to be keeping an eye on that. So if you just join our site today, excuse me, about almost 4:36, we have a tornado warning down here in Alabama. We're not expecting any long track tornadoes today, but we can see a spin up or two with this warm front down here. So I decided to break in for a second because I know Alabama can be a big town. So if you live in Pine Hill, sunny south area, you definitely need to be shaking some shelter. I'll check different sites on this. We don't see a tornado on the ground yet, so that's some good news. Let's check for hail. And don't really see any hail today. That's some good news. We don't see large hail from these storms, so this one up here by Clinton is giving me signs of 10% of dropping hail. If it was dropping, it'd be quarter size, probably just about very little hail accounts. So definitely, it's moving at 35. It's booking at 35 miles per hour. So checking our tools, just make sure we don't have any debris. And I just don't see any debris right now with the storm. So if you live in Clinton, now's the time to seek shelter. The blue spot could just be, it could be brief. It could go back in the clouds and that'd be it. So these are going to be brief tornadoes, and you definitely don't have the long track one today. That would probably do a lot of damage, but we all know a brief tornado could do a little damage. So definitely want to keep that in mind and be mindful on that. So that's the thing. So we will continue to keep you updated. We're not going to stay on air with you a lot. I was just going to continue to keep you updated on these tornado warnings that go into effect. These are just, excuse me, is this line of showers are popping up. They could produce a little rotation. We get these a lot in tropical systems in the fall. We do get decide to get a spin up like this, and this is what you get. Sometimes a small, brief tornado is always possible, but we will have to watch that. So right now, I'm not getting any reports of tornadoes on the ground, so we're getting ready to send you back. But if we do get a new tornado warning, I will promise we will break in to let you know. So I'm kind of watching this one rain shower right over here by Clinton. If you live in Clinton or New England, now time to seek shelter. I mean, we will break in. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you. We will continue to keep you updated today and break in as we think there's a threat to life and property.